Hello neighbors and friends, Steven here with etrailer.com. Folks, today we're looking at our Superwinch hand hauler portable winch with a lithium battery rated at 1,000 pounds. That's right folks, you heard me right. So this is a 24 volt lithium battery portable design handheld winch. Now it is a light duty winch. Like I said, it's rated for 1,000 pounds max. And that's if you're doing it as a winch. If you want to hoist something up, it's rated for about 800 pounds. So a nice little winch here. I like the fact that it is portable and that you just use a 24 volt battery. So you're going to get everything here on the table included. Obviously the handheld winch itself is pretty lightweight, about 16.5, 16.8 pounds. You're going to get the lead hook here and everything. Obviously I didn't put all this stuff together yet. You're going to get a little wall charger. Now that same port, you've got the same port over here on the remote. In, out, all your buttons and everything like most winches have. Your up, down, all that good stuff, and power. You're going to get the 24 volt battery. And that slides into the back side. So the side with the big hook here. That battery will just pop in back there. And as you can see, the battery does have indication lights on it as well to let you know how charged it is. And it's got a little charge on it, so let's go ahead and turn it on here and give you a little demo. So you have an on-off switch over here on the side panel. Turn it on, and then you got forward and reverse up here on the handle, much like on a power drill or something of that nature. So that's out. Let's go in. All right, so that's one thing I want to note. If you saw before I tighten it up, I'm going to loosen it again. So there's a red button here. So this is basically a braking switch. It's going to give you 100% hold, and it's a mechanical switch. So whenever this plate engages with that, it's going to automatically shut off. And then it's going to hold your load right there where it needs to be held. So that's pretty neat right there in itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this back off. I'm gonna zoom back out here a little bit just so you can see. So again, pretty lightweight. Again, 16.8 pounds. Obviously, you could hook this side onto something and then, let the winch cable out here. And obviously it's a synthetic rope, as you can see. But again, then you could also use it if you were hoisting something up. You get all the different ports on it, like I said, for charging and for using the remote. The wireless remote will work up to 50 feet away. And as far as the wired remote itself, whenever you have the cord plugged in, it gives you 13 feet of cord. So again, this is doing both. So you can unplug this here at the base. That's why it's got the cap here. And then you could use this wirelessly. So a lot of nice little features here, all packed into one little handheld winch by Superwinch. As you know, Superwinch has been around for ages, and they make amazing winches and amazing products. Now, the LED display is on the top of the winch here as well. And that's going to provide you lots of information while you're going in and out and just using the winch and that kind of stuff as well. Now, the motor inside is a DC brushless motor. It's going to offer a high pull at a low amp. And the variable speed hand control will let you set everything up and go in or out at your own pace. So let's say you have to walk away, stop, or whatnot. It's going to be a very nice component that you're going to need while you're doing your winching or hoisting. Now the synthetic rope is a 3/16 diameter synthetic rope. It's very strong and durable, and that rope can go out to 28 feet long overall. Now as far as some dimensions, when I was measuring front to back, I got roughly about 11 to 11 and a half. Now the manufacturer will tell you it's 24 inches long. The only way I got close to 24 is whenever I had the synthetic rope and everything connected. Then I got right about 24 from the edge of this hook all the way over to the edge of this rope here. Now when I went this way, I got about 10 and a half. And then on a height, I got right at about 10.5 as well. So what I'm going to tell you is that it's about 10.5 by 10.5 by 10.5, more or less. So that gives you a good option as far as size, storing it in the toolbox maybe in the back seat of the vehicle or something like that. Again, the motor is a 24 volt DC, has a nice 2-year limited warranty on all electrical components and a limited lifetime warranty on all the mechanical components. Now, as you can see on that front brake hold, again, it is a spring-loaded. I'm going to loosen it up a little bit here. There we go. And then again, the battery just kind of pops out of the back. And just pops right back in when you need to use it. Nice little winch here by Superwinch. And the soft shackle dimension is a 7/32 on that soft shackle. Well, folks, that's going to wrap it up for our quick look at this neat little Superwinch. Again, the hand hauler portable winch with lithium battery. I'm Steven. Thanks for watching.